What's up, everybody? It's Daniyl Divine back for another video. If you ain't divine, then what are you? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to literally make $0 in my lip gloss business and how to not make your lip gloss business feel like mine. And today, let's get into today's video. Okay, number one on my list is not promoting your business. If you're not promoting your business, then how are you gonna have a business? If people don't know you coming, then why do you expect them to come? You know, when promoting your business, always promote your business constantly. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But always post your business. Always know people that you have a business. Always tell people that you own a business. When people stop you in the street or in the mall and they say, "Oh my God, you got cute clothes, you got a cute face. Oh my God," tell them Divine by Daniyl. Divine by Daniyl. Whatever your business is, when people stop you or when you get a chance to talk about your business, talk about your business. If you got a chance to post about your business, post about your business. If you got a chance to comment about your business, comment about your business. People might see it selfish. Some people might see it as annoying, but again, like, this is a business. When you see an ad, the same ad on YouTube all the time, it's going to be annoying. But guess what? You know who the ad is. So, always promote your business. Always promote your business. Next on my list is not knowing your audience. Who are you going to promote your business to? How are you going to promote your business if you don't know your audience? When looking for your audience, you don't have to niche it down to like one narrative and like one group and like one race and like one color. No, to get a general term about what you want. So, is it like kitty? Is it mature? Is it a little ghetto? Is it a little bougie? Is it ratchet? Like, who is going to be confident while putting your product on? Who are you advertising to love your product and to cherish your product and be proud and be, encouraged when putting on your product? People are going to buy your product regardless if it's good or not, regardless of what gender, race, or whatever. People are going to buy your product if it's good. But when you know your audience, you know who's always going to come back. You know who's always going to be liking your pictures. You know who's always going to like your promotions. So, always know your audience. You don't have to niche it down, but like, know your audience. Next on it is starting a mailing list. With me, I did not start a mailing list. Like, I literally drop photos and boom, website, just like that. Like, I put a website in my link probably a week before. Didn't tell nobody, So, but me, like 21 people came on my website when it was a password page. If you don't know what password page basically means your website not ready yet. So people put an email, and they'd be like, common sense, like, oh my God, let me put my email in. But if people don't know what they coming for or coming to or getting, why would they put their email in? Like, I didn't tell people I was selling hair, clothes, nails, lip gloss. Like, why would you put your email in to something you don't know what's coming? I know people that done posted 5 videos on YouTube before they even launched their website. I know people that done post 10 posts before they even post their website, even before they take cash out DMs in their Instagram, So always lead people on. People, as simple humans, we love attention, We love attention. We love, always getting constant feedback and always getting constant reminders. So when you're starting your mailing list, like, keep people along, keep people attached, Don't drag it out and like people like, oh my God, when is she gonna launch? But people are like, oh my God, she been launching on 2 weeks from now. She been launched 3 years. Like, oh my God, she 3 out of 5 videos finna come. Always, start a mailing list. If you have a YouTube or have any type of social media platform, always start a mailing list, because that way you have an audience that's ready. So when you come, you shutting it down. Okay. And next to it is rushing into it. When you see, 20, how to start your lip gloss business with $20, how to start your lip gloss business with $50, how to start your lip gloss with $30, $100, how inventory haul, Amazon, AliExpress. When you see everybody posting on YouTube, you feel like, oh my God, I can do it. But guess what? You can't do it, because like, if everybody could do it, it'll be easy. Everybody will be out here doing it, So the lip gloss business and other businesses are so saturated that it's easy to buy from anywhere. But if you don't know the plan for your business, how do you know that you want to do it? You just rushing into it. Like me, I was rushing into it. Look, I love cosmetics. I love makeup. But do I feel like putting lip gloss tubes in every morning? Do I feel like doing that every day, you know. Do I, you know, no. Like, my dream is to be a fashion designer, have my own fashion line, you know, to be out here serving looks, you know. So when it comes to me and my vision, and this goes to next place, not supporting your dream, is like my auto is like Glamazante. You know, I want to have my brand like that. You know, I want to have a successful brand. Know the future for your brand, support your dream, know what you want to do in the long run, and start that. Don't start no mediocre stuff just to be doing something. You know, don't do something just do something. Have you liked, comment, and subscribe this video? Because last time I checked, I thought we was in quarantine and you ain't doing nothing. So you might as well like, comment, and subscribe. Senior 2020, you know, we done made it. Go ahead, comment down that below. Like, what's going on? Hit that notification button. I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So go ahead and link that, click that notification button down. I always have the notifications on, so you can always see what I'm posting. Anyways, let's get back into this video. Don't forget to shop DaniyLDivine.com. Does buy out my last inventory of my gloss, you know. I'm just saying. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, Daniyl Divine on Instagram, Daniyl Divine on Twitter, and then King Danny 997 on Snapchat. Don't ask me why. We all have regrettable Snapchat usernames from middle school, okay? Anyway, let's get back into this. So next on my list is blowing money. Again, when you know I'm left with organza bags I ain't gonna use. I got polymailers I ain't gonna use. I got $200, 200 shipping labels I ain't gonna use. So, you know, always never buy in bulk, because you never know how your business is gonna go. You should always prepare, but never overstock. So, you know, I always have like a 5-10 ratio with anything. Okay, next on my list is not being the face of your brand and not branding yourself as the face. You know, we think of everybody as our best friends. You know, we watch everybody's life on our feeds. We watch everybody's life on YouTube. You know, you should always have a face behind your brand, because it gives people a sense of a person behind it. You know, when you go to Chick-fil-A, you know, even in quarantine, you know, they still outside taking your orders. When you go to a black business, you love support that black business because you know it's a black person and black employees behind that business. You know, you get a sense of happiness because you know it's a real person behind it. Always be the face of your brand. Always be the face of your brand. Next on the list is only looking at appearances. You know, stop looking at everybody else. You know, stop saying only if I had 100 likes, only if I was skinny, only if I had this, only if I had that, you know, only if I had followers, only if I had YouTube, only if I had Instagram, blah, 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 blah. Stop saying only, because only business you should be focused on is your business. That's the only business you need to focus on. So stop focusing on everybody else and focus on yourself, because you're not focusing on yourself, then who's focusing on your brand? Because you focus on everybody else. Okay? You should always look up to people, but you should never dream to be in that person's spot. Because last time I checked, you ain't Beyonce. So you're not going to be Beyonce. You're not going to go through the role of the challenges that Beyonce went through. Always stay in your own business. Worry about your own self. Because if you focus on everybody else, then who's going to focus on your brand? Okay, not being consistent. Still this today, I said it again. I got the same product pictures on my website. I got the same product pictures on my Instagram. I got the same product pictures on my personal Instagram. You know, so, you know, when it comes to you posting and being consistent, stay consistent, okay? Stop. This goes for YouTube, this goes for lip gloss, this goes for everything. You know, always be consistent. Even if you don't get sales, always stay consistent. Even if you don't get views, always stay consistent. You know, even if nobody's watching and nobody's buying, you still post. Nobody liking, still post. So again, always be consistent, because that one person might come along and jumpstart the whole millions that's coming. So, you know, always be consistent. Always post. Always talk. Always market. Always do everything for your brand. Next on my list, it's a personal problem, but like not knowing my prices. Like, people come on my website, be like, it's $10 one day, $11 the other day, $15 this day. Like, what's going on? Like, why are you changing prices? Are you a scam? And to me, it's like, okay, where do I price my products? Because, you know, it's only lip gloss. Like, should I price it real high because it's online? Or should I price it real low because it's on lip gloss? You know, that's a personal problem. You know, if you feel like your lip gloss is worth $10, go ahead and sell $10. You know, if you work your gloss is $1, then go ahead and sell your gloss $1. Never undersell yourself. I would say that. Never undersell yourself, because, you know, one person will buy your gloss. One person will buy whatever you have, you know. So, you know, never oversell yourself, because if one person don't buy it, the next person will. So don't be like, oh my God, your gloss is expensive. Guess what? There's one customer lost and one product waiting for the next customer. Okay? So, Next is not seeing the future for yourself and not seeing the future for your brand. These go hand in hand because you are your brand and your brand is you. And this is really a mental health thing as well. So if you don't see a future in yourself and future as a CEO in your brand, then why are you starting a brand? Why are you putting all this effort to just float by and float away? What are you going to do 5 years for my brand? What if you're going to do 10 years for your brand? What are you going to do 11 years for your brand? What are you going to do for your brand after college? What are you going to do after brand out of high school? What are you going to do for your brand after whatever milestone you come through? Like, what are you going to do for your brand? Always have a plan. You know, that plan doesn't have to be detailed. That plan doesn't have to be long, but that plan has to be instant. Everything on my notes about how I failed as a brand owner and how I failed my lip gloss business and how I got literally zero sales in my lip gloss brand. And these are all the tips that you should take to not be like me. And, you know, go ahead and be successful. You know, thank you for watching this end of this video. Again, comment Senior 2020 because we done made it. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. You know, hit that notification bell because we're in quarantine. You got nothing else to do, so go ahead and do it. You know, and go ahead and follow me on my social medias. Instagram, Daniyl Divine. On Twitter, Daniyl Divine. And then Snapchat, King Danny997. And go ahead and go to Daniyl Divine by Daniyl on Instagram and go ahead and buy my stock. For further ado, let's end this video and thank you for watching.